Our ISD has been very blessed. The area that you're sitting in right now, we just had a ribbon cutting ceremony on Wednesday. So this is the William A. and Claire Dart Advanced Manufacturing Wing. And so it's pretty neat to see how precision machining, how engineering, and how welding, those departments have really come together and have been allowed to have collaborative practice as an intentional part of their programs. And so much of that combines to what you're seeing today as we kick off the Advanced Manufacturing Day. We've got approximately 900 students that we're visiting multiple employers throughout the day with the opportunities to learn more about the skill sets that are necessary to be valuable employees. And that's just amazing to have the partnerships that we do. So I'm very thankful.
We all know the biggest challenge facing our manufacturing sector today can be summed up in one word: talent. With an aging workforce, it's absolutely vital that we create a strong talent pipeline to fill thousands of jobs that are available right now in advanced manufacturing. Manufacturing Day is an important part of that equation by showing young people firsthand what it looks like to work in advanced manufacturing.
There are great jobs available right now. The demand for welders, CNC operators, robotics, and many other manufacturing occupations is going to continue to grow as our current workforce ages out. Even though a lot of my colleagues in the executive ranks are men, I also know that one out of four jobs in the Michigan manufacturing sector are held by women. So I want to encourage personally, I want to encourage all of the girls and young women out there who are thinking about their futures, and I want to tell them to consider a career in manufacturing.
It's an honor to be here. I apologize for being late, but we have a good excuse. We were approving a project which is going to be bringing in major auto parts manufacturing into the wing building in Lansing. So it's so appropriate that, yeah, we're very excited. Today it's about our young people seeing firsthand the possibilities for pursuing a rewarding career in the advanced manufacturing sector. And we talk about that a lot. So this isn't the talk, this is doing it. You know, when I was in the legislature, myself and Representative Cochran, we talked about advanced manufacturing and ensuring that that we can have those kids that have the ability to get these jobs, which is what we have in need. So they're actually doing it here. And that's what this day is all about.
You know, the old adage is it takes a village to raise a child. And those of you involved in education and parenting know that, of course, that's true. It also takes a village, a community, to sustain and grow a healthy manufacturing sector. It's not just going to take care of itself, especially with the incredible global competition that is out there today. I think we are seeing more support than ever in a more organized fashion than ever. I'm very excited about the future because I see the community coalescing around this great industry.
I'm super excited. This is my second year directly involved with Manufacturing Day, so it's great to be here. The thing that's really neat about this for us is the kids coming through the plant. So last year we had opened a new facility, a new assembly plant, which was our first new building since 2008. That building has run great. We took the kids through that. That builds the Isuzu F-Series product for us. This year we wanted to show them some fire trucks, so they're going to go through our fire truck assembly plant. And what kid isn't going to enjoy seeing fire trucks? It's just an awesome experience.
We are proud that through establishing a 501c6 that the council has paved the way to expand its focus in the greater Lansing area. In the 14 years since its founding, the council has grown beyond our wildest dreams, and the collaboration in those partnerships fostered through the council are key to meeting the talent demands of the region. Today is all about showing young people the rewarding careers they can find in advanced manufacturing to build a vital pipeline to meet the workforce needs of our vibrant manufacturing sector. On behalf of Capital Area Michigan Works, thank you for the honor of attending the celebration today, and to all of our partners for your talented, tireless, and innovative work.
When most people think of manufacturing, they think of dirty, unsafe jobs. They think of it, you know, my dad used to do this, my grandparents used to do this, when in reality, as we've seen, manufacturing has changed tremendously, right? There's so many advances in technology, in the types of manufacturing innovation, the products that we make. The vast diversity and variety is fantastic. And manufacturing extends beyond the presses and the assembly lines. There are high-tech automated opportunities right here in our own backyard. We talked about buzz, right? Growth, opportunity, support, energy, community. diversity, new technology, possibilities, advanced manufacturing, innovation, career opportunities, quality of life, job security, hope. When you think about that, we offer that with the opportunities that we're all a part of every day, right? The lives that we touch, the opportunities that we give.